In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the windshield washer reservoir on your Dodge Ram, located underneath your hood right here. Using our 3/8 socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt holding our expansion tank. We're simply going to take our expansion tank, lift it up, and we're going to spin it around and set that to the side. Now on your washer fluid reservoir, there's going to be a pump connector, and then we have the low level sensor connector. The pump connector has a red locking tab on it. We want to lift that up, press in a little tab above it, and disconnect that harness. And then on the gray side, we're just going to pinch the little gray tab there and disconnect that. And then we'll lift up on the washer reservoir and remove that to get all together. We'll get the pump connector off. Go ahead and wiggle that other connector off. Now we have both of those removed. Now we're going to go ahead and drain our washer reservoir, make it a little bit easier to handle. That way when we pull it up and set it aside, we don't have washer fluid leaking out everywhere. So we just disconnected the hose on the bottom, and we're letting that drain out into a catch can. Now we have that loose. We can go ahead and lift this up and out of the way. Now we install our washer fluid reservoir. These two tabs go into a notch on the fan shroud itself, and then the top will fall into the notch on the top right here. So let's go ahead and feed this down. On the bottom, we're going to install our washer hose and the two electrical connectors for the pump and the level sensor. We have all three of those pieces connected there. We want to install our expansion tank, putting these two blades into the top part of the fan shroud and line this up. Now if you have your bolt and your metal retainer clip here, go ahead and install your bolt and snug that down. In our particular case, the bolt was damaged and our metal clip was rusted and broken. So we're simply going to replace it with one of these expandable plastic retainer buttons. Don't forget to top off your windshield washer reservoir as well, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.